In this video I will show you how to send this PDF via email. Let's begin. We will open up the PDF first and see what it is about. The PDF has 16 pages. We will use this PDF as the example. Open up the email provider you are going to use. I will use Gmail for this example. Open up Chrome, push on your Gmail here. Go over to where it says Compose. This is where we can send the PDF from. Go get the PDF you would like to send. I will use the PDF I showed you before. Drag and drop the PDF into this small window here. PDF has been successfully uploaded to your email. Now get the email you want to send the PDF to. I will open my second Gmail account here and send the PDF to this Gmail account. Copy Gmail account here. Go back to your Gmail account and paste it in Recipients. In the subject box, put in a title. We will name it PDF. Push Send down here. Email has been sent. Let's check the second account to see if we have received the email. It hasn't arrived yet. Just wait a few seconds. Open it up. We have a PDF attachment here which we can download. Download the PDF here. PDF is downloading to your PC. Go to your Downloads folder and retrieve the new PDF. Let's open it up and see if it's the same one. We have successfully sent a PDF via email.